A stand-up pouches with window is a type of packaging that allows consumers to have a preview of the product inside. It provides a previewing perspective to help attract customers and encourage them to make a purchase. There are different styles of stand-up pouches with window, including Kraft paper stand-up pouch with window. Material structure: Kraft paper, printing layer, PET, barrier layer, LLDPE or CPP, contact layer. The window is made by pre-cutting a custom window on the Kraft paper and then laminating it with a transparent barrier layer, PET, and contact layer, LLDPE or CPP. Stand-up pouch with clear window. Material structure: PET or BOPP, printing layer, PET or Nylon, barrier layer, LLDPE or CPP, contact layer. The window is created by reserving a no printing area on the printing layer. The barrier layer and contact layer are transparent, allowing visibility of the product inside. Transparent and metalized stand-up pouch with window. Material structure: front side transparent PET, printing layer, PET, barrier layer, LLDPE, contact layer. Material structure: back side metalized PET, printing layer, metalized PET, barrier layer, LLDPE, contact layer. The window is made on the front side, which is transparent. The rest of the pouch is metalized for a sleek look. Aluminum washing stand-up pouches with window. Material structure: PET, printing layer, metalized PET, barrier layer, LLDPE, contact layer. The window is made on the barrier layer by using a method called washing aluminum. This process makes a portion of the metalized PET transparent. The printing layer and contact layer are then laminated, allowing visibility of the product. These different styles of stand-up pouches with windows provide varying levels of visibility and aesthetics, allowing consumers to see the product inside while still offering the necessary protection and barrier properties for the contents.